Folks, we're standing aboard the Capelli 40 and behind us we've got the Capelli 38, two premium inflatable center consoles designed and crafted out of Italy. Let's take a look through them. Folks, these are the kind of boats that are going to give you the wind in your hair, access to crystal clear anchorages, and the ability to swim, sunbake, entertain and host friends and family. They're the type of boat that gets you out there enjoying all of the elements. Equipped with sun pads on the bow, sun pads aft, wraparound lounges with extendable dining tables and a wet bar, this is what boating is all about. Picture yourself getting to a remote anchorage with the crew, dropping the pick and spending hours on end swimming and playing in the sun. There's plenty of power behind these beauties. You've got twin Yamaha V8 425s, a bow thruster for easy docking and all the tech you'd expect on a luxury rib. Down below you've got a full head height bathroom, a V-berth forward for a day nap and ample storage around the vessel. Ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. These boats are for sale in stock now at Short Marine down at the Spit in Sydney. Get in touch for more information.